Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the incredible world of chamomile. This unassuming little flower packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits, and the best part is, it's been used for centuries, so we know it's safe and effective. Now, you might be thinking, chamomile, isn't that just a sleepy time tea? Well, get ready to be surprised. While it's true that chamomile is famous for its relaxing properties, it also offers a wealth of other benefits, from easing tummy troubles to potentially even helping to fight cancer. So stick around as we explore 10 amazing health benefits of chamomile and share 5 easy healing recipes you can whip up right in your own kitchen. Let's unlock the power of chamomile together. Let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, who couldn't use a little help relaxing? Well, chamomile has been used for centuries as a natural sleep aid and stress reliever, and for good reason. You see, chamomile contains a special compound called apigenin. Think of apigenin as a gentle hug for your brain. It works by binding to certain receptors in your brain that help reduce anxiety and initiate sleep. And unlike those sleeping pills you see advertised, chamomile is gentle on your system and non-habit forming. That means you can enjoy a cup of chamomile tea before bed without worrying about developing a dependency. So, if you're tossing and turning at night or feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, give chamomile a try. It just might be the key to unlocking a more restful and relaxed you. Ladies, let's talk periods. We all know that monthly visitor can bring cramps, bloating, and just an overall feeling of bleh. Well, guess what? Chamomile can help with that too. Studies have shown that chamomile can actually help relax the muscles in your uterus. And that's important because those are the very same muscles that contract and cause those dreaded cramps. But that's not all. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory properties can also help reduce the prostaglandins in your body. Now, prostaglandins are chemicals that are released during your period, and guess what? They're also responsible for pain and inflammation. So, the next time you're feeling those period pains coming on, reach for a warm cup of chamomile tea. It's a natural, gentle way to ease those cramps and get back to feeling your best. Ever feel like your stomach is staging a revolt? Indigestion, bloating, gas? We've all been there. Well, chamomile can be a true lifesaver when it comes to calming an upset stomach. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory properties work their magic in your gut, helping to soothe the lining of your stomach and intestines. This can be especially helpful for those with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. But wait, there's more. Chamomile also acts as an anti-spasmodic. Now, what that means is it helps to relax the muscles in your digestive tract. This can help reduce those painful spasms that often come with digestive issues. So the next time your stomach is feeling less than stellar, reach for chamomile. It's like a warm hug for your gut, calming inflammation and easing those uncomfortable spasms. Want to supercharge your immune system and fight off those pesky colds and infections? Well, look no further than chamomile. Chamomile is loaded with antioxidants. Now, antioxidants are like little warriors in your body, fighting off those harmful free radicals that can damage your cells and weaken your immune system. But that's not all. Chamomile also has antibacterial and antiviral properties. This means that it can actually help your body fight off those nasty bugs that make you sick. So, incorporating chamomile into your daily routine can be a delicious and effective way to give your immune system the support it needs to stay strong and healthy year-round. Inflammation, it's a word we hear a lot these days, and for good reason. Inflammation is at the root of so many health problems, but did you know that chamomile can help? Chamomile contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that work wonders in reducing inflammation throughout your body. And remember those prostaglandins we talked about earlier? The ones that cause pain and inflammation? Well, chamomile helps to reduce those too. So whether you're dealing with muscle soreness, joint pain, or a chronic inflammatory condition, chamomile can provide natural relief. It's like an internal fire extinguisher, calming those flames of inflammation and helping your body find balance. Looking for a natural way to achieve that healthy, radiant glow? Chamomile isn't just for drinking, it can do wonders for your skin too. Remember those anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties we talked about? Well, they're incredibly beneficial for your skin too. Chamomile can help soothe irritation, reduce redness, and even fight off those pesky acne-causing bacteria. It's also been shown to be effective in treating skin conditions like eczema, rosacea, and even wound healing. So, whether you're dealing with a breakout, a rash, or just want to give your skin some extra TLC, chamomile is here to help. Taking care of your heart is essential, and chamomile can play a supporting role in keeping your ticker strong. Studies have shown that chamomile may help lower blood pressure. And that's important because high blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease. But that's not all. Chamomile may also help improve cholesterol levels by reducing LDL cholesterol, also known as the bad cholesterol. Now, it's important to note that more research is needed in this area, but the preliminary findings are certainly promising. Adding chamomile to your routine could be a simple, natural way to support your heart health. Anxiety and depression are serious conditions that affect millions of people worldwide. While chamomile is not a substitute for professional help, it can be a gentle and effective complement to traditional treatments. Remember that calming compound apigenin we talked about earlier? Well, it works wonders in reducing anxiety by calming the nervous system and promoting relaxation. And while more research is needed, some studies suggest that chamomile may even be as effective as some prescription medications in reducing symptoms of mild to moderate anxiety and depression. If you're struggling with these conditions, talk to your doctor about incorporating chamomile into your treatment plan. It just might provide the natural support you need to find your calm. Now, this is where things get really interesting. Emerging research suggests that chamomile may possess powerful anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown that chamomile contains certain compounds that may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. It's even been shown to be particularly effective against certain types of cancer cells, including breast cancer, leukemia, and prostate cancer. While more research is needed to fully understand chamomile's role in cancer prevention and treatment, these early findings are certainly exciting. Believe it or not, chamomile isn't just good for your overall health, it's good for your oral health too. Chamomile's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it a powerful ally in fighting gum disease and soothing mouth sores. It can also help reduce plaque buildup and freshen breath. So, how can you incorporate chamomile into your oral hygiene routine? It's simple. Try a chamomile mouthwash or simply swish some cooled chamomile tea around in your mouth for a natural way to keep your smile healthy and bright. Let's start with the classic chamomile tea. It's easy to make and oh so soothing. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of boiling water, 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers or 1 chamomile tea bag, and honey or lemon to taste if you like. Instructions. Add the chamomile flowers or tea bag to your favorite mug. Pour boiling water over the chamomile. Cover and steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the tea bag or strain the flowers if using loose chamomile. Add honey or lemon to taste if desired. Want to take your chamomile experience to the next level? Try a luxurious chamomile bath soak. It's the perfect way to unwind after a long day. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of dried chamomile flowers, 1 cup of Epsom salt, and a few drops of lavender essential oil if you want. Instructions. Combine the chamomile flowers, Epsom salt, and essential oil in a bowl. Fill your bathtub with warm water. Add the chamomile mixture to the running water. Soak in the tub for at least 20 minutes, allowing the chamomile and Epsom salt to work their magic. Give your skin a treat with this simple yet effective chamomile face mask. Here's what you'll need. 2 tablespoons of cooled chamomile tea, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, and 2 tablespoons of rolled oats. Instructions. Combine the chamomile tea, honey, and rolled oats in a bowl. Mix well to form a paste. Apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Looking for a natural way to boost your hair's shine and softness? Look no further than this chamomile hair rinse. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of strong chamomile tea and 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Instructions. Brew a strong pot of chamomile tea and allow it to cool completely. Stir in the apple cider vinegar. After shampooing and conditioning your hair, pour the chamomile rinse over your hair. Gently massage into your scalp and hair. Rinse thoroughly with cool water. This chamomile-infused oil is incredibly versatile. You can use it as a massage oil, add it to your bath, or even use it as a base for homemade lotions and creams. Here's what you'll need. Dried chamomile flowers, a carrier oil of your choice, such as jojoba oil, almond oil, or olive oil, and a glass jar with a lid. Instructions: fill the glass jar with dried chamomile flowers, leaving about an inch of space at the top. Pour your chosen carrier oil over the chamomile flowers, ensuring they are completely submerged. Seal the jar tightly and store it in a cool, dark place for 4 to 6 weeks, shaking it occasionally. After 4 to 6 weeks, strain the oil through a cheesecloth or coffee filter into a clean jar. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these chamomile benefits and recipes helpful. From promoting relaxation and sleep to boosting your immune system and potentially even fighting cancer, chamomile is a true powerhouse when it comes to natural remedies. And the best part is, it's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. So brew a cup of chamomile tea, indulge in a relaxing chamomile bath, or try one of the other amazing recipes we shared today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. We'll see you in the next video.